Hi there! Welcome back to Proficiency Consultant's Top Tips for Learning Italian. Today, let's talk about something crucial for your language learning journey: making a plan. Once you've set your goals, it's time to plan how to reach them. First, decide how much time you can realistically dedicate each day. Even just 15 minutes can make a big difference if you're consistent. The secret to keeping your learning fun and effective is variety. Mix up your activities. Read, listen, speak, and write in Italian. Variety helps you engage with the language in different ways, making it stick and faster. And don't forget, regular review is key to reinforcing what you've learned. Treat your study time like an important appointment, one that you can't miss. Stay committed, but also flexible. Adjust your plan as you go to find what works best for you. Remember, a good plan is your roadmap to success. You can do it. For more tips and resources, visit my blog at proficiencyconsultant.com. Buon apprendimento! Ciao!